Hello and welcome. Today I'm celebrating 1 month of my Domestika class being out, and right now we're sitting at 100% positive reviews. We have a huge array of beautiful paintings that the students have done. I am incredibly impressed by the work that they have submitted. It's proof that this kind of painting process works and that people are there's some really talented artists out there, obviously, and I'm really grateful that a lot of them have made something so beautiful with this course. So just wanted you to be able to see their work, and you're going to be able to see that in the background as I'm talking. But I also wanted to talk to you about, a little bit about why I did this thing with Domestika. I did it because I felt like it was an awesome learning management system that's put together really well, that's easy to follow, that's good for the students, and it has a really nice, clean aesthetic, and the delivery of all the content is beautiful. As a teacher, I can keep adding content every week, every month, and so on, and I've already created a second set of brushes just for the Domestika students. So there's the first set, which is really big and full and has all the things that you would need to do the projects, but I made a version 2 that's even bigger and bolder and has more brushes and more options. I'm adding, I just added a new piece of video content that shows an individual breakdown of how to paint eyes. I have another one for noses and mouths coming out. I have another piece that's talking about intentional and the importance of exaggeration and gesture with the use of the Liquify tool in Photoshop. There's all kinds of things that are in the class but are also being added to the class for people who have done it but want a little more enrichment. We have an active forum where there's someone that joined the class doesn't like painting portraits. They like painting animals. So we created a forum topic that's just where you can put all your animal paintings in. And then there's a bunch of people too that love landscape. So we have a landscape topic, and the forum, the video content, the PDF downloads, the brushes, the student resources, the links to other content on the web. It's all this comes together to create this beautiful experience for the learner. And I just wanted to tell you that it's going really well, and it's definitely exceeding my expectations. So I wanted to see if you are one of those people who is curious about the class but hasn't yet taken it, hasn't yet looked at it, at least go click in on the link. You'll see a link in the description, link in the bio, link in the video. Go click in and look at the projects that the students have done, and you'll see just a really beautiful array of work. So with that said, thank you for checking this out. Thank you for following the work and for investing in artists and communities of artists who are trying to share their passion. So thank you again, and thanks for taking the class, and thanks for looking at the class, and cheers to 1 month. Have a good day, guys.